In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label sent emails in Gmail. If you've ever struggled to keep track of follow-ups, proposals, or receipts you've already sent, labeling your sent messages can make a huge difference. Labels in Gmail work like flexible tags that you can add to any message, and a single email can have more than one. That means you can organize by client, project, or urgency without duplicating anything. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to your Gmail account at mail.google.com. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the right profile so you'll be labeling the correct mailbox. Give the inbox a moment to load so all the menus appear. Now, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Sent folder. Depending on your layout, you might need to click More to expand the list. Sent holds copies of emails you've already sent from this account, which is the perfect place to organize the conversations you're actively driving. Decide whether you want to label a single email or several at once. To label one message, click to open it. If you want to label multiple, stay in the Sent view and use the small checkboxes on the left of each message to select them. You can select a range by clicking the first checkbox, holding Shift, and clicking the last one. This is especially helpful if you've sorted or searched to narrow down a group of messages. With your email or emails selected, look at the toolbar near the top of the page and click the Label button. It looks like a tag. If your window is narrower, some icons may collapse into the More menu. In that case, click More and choose Label As. A panel will open showing all of your existing labels. From here, you can check any existing labels you want to apply. If you need something new, click Create New. Give your label a clear, memorable name, and if you like, nest it under an existing label to keep a tidy hierarchy. Short, consistent names work best, like clients, invoices, or follow-up this week. When you're done choosing labels, click Apply. You'll see the label name appear next to the subject line in the Sent view and at the top of the message when it's open. If you ever change your mind, just open the label menu again and uncheck a label to remove it. That's it. By labeling sent emails, you create an at-a-glance system for tracking what matters, exactly where those conversations live. Try labeling a handful of recent messages to build the habit and enjoy a much cleaner, more searchable Gmail.